welcome back to Beauty Chronicles. It's your girl Shann here, and I'm coming back to you this week with, of course, another wig. Now this video is sponsored by Outre and wigtypes.com, which to me is a force not to reckon with. You got Outre, who comes with the poppin' wigs, and then you got Wig Types, who comes with the super fast delivery and always on point wigs. So the wig I'm going to be modeling today, well actually showing you guys a step-to-step tutorial today, is the Outre lace front Shawni wig, and she does come with a Swiss lace parting, and she has blunt curls. You can put a heat of about 400 degrees to her, but like I said in my previous videos, I normally like to leave it at 350 just to be on the safe side. She does come in 9 colors, and I mean, what else can we do but dive in? So stay tuned for this tutorial. So now that I got my scarf on, because clearly I done lost my wig cap, this is Shawni out of the pack. And as you can see, she's super flowy, super bouncy, super fun. Like literally, do you see this movement in her? I can't wait for the wind to blow while I'm walking down the street so I could be like, this is mine, yes, this is all me. Now, the waves slash curls, because it's kind of curly to me, but it's like those loose curls are super defined. Like, they're really nice. Like, you can actually see them. And the hair, like I said earlier, it's a super blunt cut. I don't see any, like, you know, hanging hairs or anything like that. So it seems like it's a pretty good constructed wig. Now, this parting. Let me just get closer in on this parting. Look at that. Like, look at that. Amazing. Like, it goes so far back and it looks so natural. Now, this is soft lace, which is good because the hard lace kind of irritates me. I don't know. Outre, like, my last couple of wigs been popping, so I might just have to stick with them. Now, I do see that it comes with 2 combs up front. You can see that. And then it also comes with 1 comb in the back, and it has the adjustable straps. So let's pop this bad boy on and get started. So here I'm just cutting the lace off of the wig. Now, a lot of people sometimes say that this is the hardest part. Some say it's the easiest. To me, you're just following along the hairline and cutting any excess lace off. You want to pull those hairs back. This wig did come with baby hairs, and just in case you want to lay it for later on, definitely pull them back and cut. Now, because the parting space on this wig was so perfect, I literally only had to pluck a couple of flyaways because I do like my part to be a little bit wider. But other than that, amazing. Now let's throw Shawni on. Whew. I had to do it once, like I really did, just because the way this wig is laying down is just perfect. Like, she's literally the flippy type, I'm gonna go ahead, run and do what I gotta do, busy woman on the run type. Like, all right, let's bring it back to the video. As you can see, I already love this wig. She is just perfect length, perfect density. The parting space was good. As you can see in my previous clip, I just cut the lace off and I did tweeze it just a little bit, just because, like I said, it goes by preference. Me personally, I like to have that space in the middle. But we're not just done yet. As y'all know, I love to grab me some of my concealer, and I just got this cheap $2 one, $2.99 one from my beauty supply store. It's like a pro concealer. I literally have my own for my wigs. That's how serious I be. And just grab my little brush here. Has like a straight edge to it. And I just grab it right there. This thing is always like flowing with product, so I never really have to squeeze it. And I'm just gonna go down the middle right there. I do like to start a little bit onto my forehead because I'm gonna blend it in afterwards. So we're just gonna go all the way back. You don't even have to like blot it. You can actually just be like, you know, wow. Just, and as you can see, like now it's like, ooh, that's where her part is. Yes, that's me. Now I'm just gonna go ahead. I gotta make sure that it's straight. And remember, this part goes all the way back. Yes. And just to set it, acting like I'm doing my makeup. Just to set it, I like to grab just my powder. And this is like a random powder that I don't use anymore. Doesn't have to be expensive. It can be the powder you use on your makeup. I don't like to mix hair and makeup though sometimes, so I try to keep it separate. But, and you're just gonna follow that same line all the way back and just set it into place. So now you can actually see, whereas before it wasn't as defined, and you're just gonna pat that in a little bit. Sorry, I had a loose strand. And you're just gonna pat that in. Now me personally, y'all are gonna be like, dang girl, how much stuff you gonna do? I'm not a big volume up top person. I don't know why, because this actually looks really good. But just to lay it down a little bit, I'm gonna put some of my Gots to Be glue. Bam. And I'm gonna brush it down just a tiny bit, you know, just to keep it from getting that little, you know, hump. And see how, like, you see how this looks like it's mine? Like, this is like the perfect length. Like, I can go outside and be good. So let me just tell y'all real quick how happy I am about this. What makes me want to cry? I'm not crying, y'all. I'm actually sweating, because my house, the air conditioner, it'd be way too much noise for y'all. So back to this tutorial. I'm actually all done, so let's get into her. So now that we've completed everything that I normally do with my wigs, I cut the lace, I put my concealer and my powder in my parting, and I sprayed a little bit of Gots to Be on it just to make sure my flyaways and to bring the volume down just a little bit in. That's really it. I mean, the wig does come with baby hairs. It's up to you. Me personally, with the middle part, I normally like to just leave it as, you know, this is the unit. This is definitely the best throw on and go wig. I did not have to do much to it. I literally could have done this in my car if I was like running to a beauty supply store with my wig cap on looking for a wig. I mean, that might be a good YouTube video idea. Anyways, back to the wig at hand. Again, this is the Outre Shawni Wig in the color 1B. Big thank you again to the collaboration between Wig Types and Outre. Kudos to you guys. I literally have to applaud you. You choose the best wigs. You guys always just come correct. Wait, what? Now, y'all know I wasn't gonna go away without telling you to make sure you like this video. If I helped you out, and if you feel like, dang, I got a new wig to wear, I don't have to buy my bundles to make this wavy look, it already comes prepared, like the video, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Ness and I, we're in it for the long haul, so stay tuned, and by subscribing, you'll definitely get all the updates, or you can hit that little bell button. I want to say, see, I would say it was right, but I'm gonna go the opposite way. It's over there. But thanks again for tuning in. Stay tuned for us next week. Thanks, guys.